Hello my dear friends. This is the InStyle Knitting Studio. In this lesson, we will learn how to determine the length of yarn when casting on stitches. That is, let's say, if we need to cast on 10 stitches, how much yarn should we leave for the cast on? What do I do? I take 2 needles in my right hand and wrap the yarn around these 2 needles 10 times, since I need to cast on 10 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, I pinch it with my fingers. This is the approximate length of yarn we need for casting on 10 stitches. But I usually add a few centimeters, so that in the finished product we can easily secure this yarn with a needle. That is, I add a couple of centimeters. Now I position this yarn in my left hand so that this marked yarn is secured between my thumb and index finger, like this. So this length of yarn is placed closer to me, and we start the usual cast on that we need, which is comfortable for us, how to cast on stitches on needles. We have already learned this in previous lessons. Check the links below the video. If we need to cast on, say, 20 stitches instead of 10, it's simple. You can measure just like you did for 10 stitches. That is, wrap it around the needles 20 times. But I, for example, do it this way. I wrap it 10 times. I mark it here with my fingers, approximately. And this yarn is what we need for casting on 10 stitches. If we need 20, accordingly, I fold the yarn in half, and this gives us this length. We need this for casting on 20 stitches, well, here. Again, I add a couple of centimeters. 30 means in 3s and so on. I think everything was clear. If anyone has questions, ask in the comments. Subscribe, like, and see you in new classes. Bye bye.